In the meantime, this is the hot pepper sauce that's going to go with the aloco. It is onion, tomato, and Scotch bonnet pepper.
The fish to crush. So I'm going to remove the fish.
So the fish is now being removed because we're going to add it back in just at the very end.
Because it's cooked. You gotta be careful with it. Alrighty, we're gonna turn the water down.
My keys.
So the fire is being turned down to
Now
low,
we're gonna go.
and the vegetables are being re-added.
So you think this gonna?
In there, it'll be fine, yeah. Take mine, honey, and then just find them when you come back. Karim might have taken them and done something with them. So now we're just putting the vegetables into the food processor and we're going to blend it. Hold on. We'll be back.